Examples of vectors in nature are velocity, momentum. Before that, what is vectors? So vectors are quantities which can be expressed with a magnitude as well as direction. So in nature, velocity, momentum, force, electromagnetic fields and weight. Weight is the force produced by the acceleration of gravity acting on mass. A quantity or phenomenon that exhibits magnitude only with no specific direction is called scalar. The vector addition follows two important laws which are commutative law and another is associative law. In case of commutative law, you can see P plus Q are two vectors E is equal to Q plus P. They can be added like this. This equivalent to this. Associative law, P plus into bracket Q plus R is equal to this P and this Q. P plus Q bracket complete plus R. So this is about the associative law and P plus Q equal to Q plus P. This is about the commutative law. Now we will see problems related to the vectors. Find that volume of parallel pipe if vector A is equal to minus 3i plus 7j plus 5k, vector B is equal to minus 3i plus 7j minus 3k, and vector C is equal to 7i minus 5j minus 3k. Find the solution. Vector A into bracket vector B cross vector C is equal to this minus 3, 7, 7, 5, 5. Minus 3, 7, 7, minus 3, minus 3. This 7, this minus 5, this minus 5, this minus 3 like this. And after taking cross multiplication, minus 3, then these two multiplication, then 7, then minus 3, 7, minus 3 like this. So this is about the calculation. So 108 minus 210 minus 170 is equal to minus 272, and this is the 272 unit volume of the parallel pipe. Now see another problem. Determine alpha and beta using vectors such that points minus 1, 3, 2, minus 4, 2, minus 2 and 5 alpha beta. Suppose PQR are 3 points, these 3 points. PQ vector is equal to minus 3i minus j minus 4k. QR vector is equal to 9i vector plus into bracket alpha minus 2 bracket complete vector j plus beta plus 2 vector k. So PQ vector cross QR vector is equal to ijk minus 3, this minus 3, minus 1, this minus 1, minus 4, alpha, this 9, alpha minus 2, beta plus 2, like this. Make these calculations. I into bracket minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 minus beta plus 4 alpha minus 8, like this. Bracket complete into vector I plus 36 minus 3 beta minus 6 bracket complete in vector j plus into bracket minus 3 alpha plus 6 plus 9 bracket complete into vector k. If PQ vector and QR vector are on same straight line, then PQ vector cross QR vector is equal to 0. So therefore, equivalent to this, there is a 0. So therefore, minus beta plus 4 alpha minus 10 is equal to 0. 30 minus 3 beta is equal to 0. Minus 3 alpha plus 15 is equal to 0. So from this, therefore alpha is equal to 5 and beta is equal to 10. Find angle and the magnitude of a resultant vector. Look at the image below this image and find the magnitude of R and find alpha, this alpha. Beta is given here, which is 60 degree. And these are the vectors are given 30 and 25. Solution: P divided by sine beta is equal to Q divided by sine alpha. So P is 30, Q is 25, beta is given, that is 60. So 30 divided by sine 60 is equal to 25 divided by sine alpha. So sine alpha is equal to 0.7216 and alpha is equal to sine inverse of 0.7216 is equal to 46.18 degree. Now we will find theta, which is equal to alpha plus beta, summation of both the angles. That is 46.18 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 106.18 degree. So finally 46.18 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 106.18 degree. We know theta, this theta. We can calculate the magnitude of vector r. So vector r is equal to under root of a square plus b square is equal to twice ab cos theta. So r is equal to under root of 30 square plus 25 square plus 2 into bracket 30 25 cos of 106.18. So finally r is 33.27 units. Find the constant beta so that vectors are coplanar. So given vectors are vector p is equal to twice I vector minus j vector plus k vector. Q vector is equal to I vector plus 2j vector minus 3k vector and vector n is equal to 3I vector plus beta j vector plus 5k vector. Solution: vectors are coplanar, therefore vector p into bracket vector q cross vector n is equal to 0. So from this, vector p into bracket vector q cross vector n is equal to px, py, pz, qx, qy, qz, mx, my, mz is equal to 2 minus 1, 1, 1, this 1, 2, minus 3, minus 3. These are the coefficients are qx, qy, qz. 3 beta 5 and which is equal to 0. So making this multiplication calculation, finally we will get beta is equal to minus 4. Find the alpha so that the given vectors are coplanar. Vector A is equal to 2i vector minus j vector plus k vector. Vector B is equal to I vector plus 2j vector minus 3k vector and vector C is equal to 3I vector plus lambda j vector plus 5k vector. Solution: 2 minus 1, 1, 1, 2 minus 3, 3 lambda 5, 2 into bracket 10 plus 3 lambda minus into bracket minus 9 minus 5 plus lambda minus 6 is equal to 0. So 20 plus 6 lambda plus 14 plus lambda minus 6 is equal to 0. Finally, 28 plus 7 lambda is equal to 0. So therefore, lambda is equal to minus 4. To find the angle between two vectors, vector A and vector B, we can use the dot product formula. Vector A dot vector B is equal to mod of vector A mod of vector B into cos theta. So from this, theta is equal to cos inverse of vector A dot vector B divided by vector A mod of vector B. Find the angle between two vectors, vector A and vector B, if vector A is equal to 2i vector plus 4j vector minus 2k vector and vector B is equal to minus 8i vector plus 2j vector minus 4k vector. Vector A dot vector B is equal to mod of vector A into mod of vector B cos theta. So theta is equal to cos inverse of vector A dot vector B divided by mod of vector A mod of vector B. So vector A dot vector B is equal to this product of both the vectors, which will give us minus 16 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 0. So cos theta is equal to 0. So therefore theta is equal to cos inverse of 0, which is equal to 90 degree. Now sine and cosine law. Now we will say about sine and cosine law. This is sine law. Sine alpha divided by A is equal to sine beta divided by B is equal to sine gamma divided by C. So this is sine law. Alpha angle, gamma angle, beta angle. This is vector A, this is vector B, this side is vector C. Now we will say about the cosine law. A square is equal to B square plus C square minus twice BC cos alpha. Second, B square is equal to A square plus C square minus twice AC cos beta. This is about the cosine law. We have seen earlier sine law. Third, that is C square is equal to A square plus B square minus twice AB into cos gamma. So this is all about sine and cosine law related to the vectors. So this is about the problems related to the vectors that we have seen in this present video.